What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Connor back with Muscle Addiction, man. Chiming in from the front of the video, just to let y'all know and sending y'all my deepest apologies for not dropping in like a month, man. Been a lot of big things going on in my life, and starting with, I just had a daughter, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm a whole father right here, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So that's a really big reason why I ain't been posting. It's been a lot of stuff going on this past month, and getting ready for the baby and everything. But she's all healthy, everything all good. I'm a dad now, so I'm just absorbing all that. So, man, y'all just stay tuned with the channel, man. Y'all stay posted, and y'all just stay locked in with me, man. You know, just because I know the scheduling and, upload schedule is gonna be kind of rocky. So y'all just stay posted with me, man. Y'all don't leave me, man. Y'all don't know. I ain't trying to let y'all down, man. Just been a lot of stuff going on, man. But yeah, let's get right into this video, man. Yes, sir. What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Connor back with Muscle Addiction, man. If you're new to the channel, you don't know it's a vibe, make sure you stop this video right now. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. Y'all know the deal. Y'all know the motto. Ain't nothing changed but the weather, man. But get right into today's video, man. I pulled up on my big bro, you know what I'm saying, today for this install video and get y'all into some better light. Y'all see it in the back there. Y'all see Molly G back there, man. If y'all haven't seen that video, y'all make sure y'all go watch that video. It was probably 2 or 3 videos ago, but y'all see it's the only video on there with the white box Chevy 9C1 Caprice on there. But that's beyond the fact. Y'all go over there to Molly Got Action, and his info will be in the description below, where y'all can find his channel and stuff like that. But I pulled up on him to do a light upgrade for him. You know what I'm saying? We're pulling up and doing light upgrades, man. And this one is sponsored by Autoone Automotive Lighting, man. Your #1 source for automotive lights, man. Y'all make sure y'all go over there. My referral link will be in the description below, and y'all make sure y'all use description code, the coupon code Connor Rosser for 15% off at the checkout. That'll save y'all some money, so make sure y'all do that, and make sure y'all hit that referral link. That'll help out the channel a whole lot, man. But I went to try to do this install on my Impala, but it won't work because these are for strictly brake lights only, and my Impala uses the brake light for its turn signals too. So I got a little hyper flash going on. But we're finna do this install on the 99 to 02 Yukon, and I'm pretty sure it'll work for the newer models too. But it's gonna be a brake light upgrade right here. Do a quick unboxing for y'all. Y'all don't mind the box. It may look a little tempered and stuff like that, but again, I went and tried to install them yesterday. So this is what it looks like. That's how the box came. As y'all can see, it's got all of the information on there. Red 3157 bulb. So I'm gonna open this up and show y'all the contents in the box, what it look like. And here they are. Here they are, man. Show y'all what they look like. I don't mind my fingernails, they're a little dirty, but y'all can see they got plenty of LEDs around them. Really good quality. The prongs on them look like they gonna last a really long time. Well vented back there, as y'all can see. So the heat dissipation on these are gonna be very, very good. But yeah, man, these are gonna be the 3157 brake light bulbs right here. And we're finna go get ready and take these out. To place these, it's gonna be 2 Phillips head screws, and we're gonna get these taken out right now. Right, got them out. Pull these out. See that little clip fell down there, so I'm gonna have to get it And that just simply goes right there. Look like his broke. I didn't do it, Ma. I didn't do it. We're gonna have to get you some more. What you call it? Dang failed. But yeah, man. Molly got action. You know what I'm saying?
Molly got action in this thing.
Yeah.
Looking real rough, but been working today. Dreads do whatever at this point, so they just gonna do what they do, man. But we here. We trying to get these lights right. Order me some new lenses, and then I'm gonna hit the plug, hit little bro for all the LED lights. We just gonna light it up like you coming up. We finna light everything up, really.
You hear me?
I'm tired of not being able to see shit.
Yeah, man. So we finna bless bro gang. You know what I'm saying? For these right here, these are gonna be your brake lights on these, and it's a little clip right here. You just push this in. Bro gonna hold the camera for me. Push these in, counterclockwise turn, twist, and pull out. And then just simply remove these and install these other ones. These are reverse polarity, so you can install these either way, and it's gonna come on. All right, bro. Tell me what these look like, man. Tell me what's your initial.
They really look crazy. I ain't gonna lie. I was expecting to have to do some wiring. I didn't know it was just like no regular bulbs, some plug and play type stuff. That's live.
Yeah, man.
That's super live.
Gonna put these in. They just plug straight in.
Snap, crackle, pop.
Then again, clockwise turn and twist.
Yeah.
Get this other little clip to put back on her. Let's see how this was on here. God dang.
Yeah, somebody probably rigged it up. Or I probably messed it up, kept closing this damn thing.
See if we can get them right back in, folks. Cause you know we over here at Muscle Dish, we ain't rich, man, so we can't afford to replace everybody's stuff over here, man. You know what I'm saying? So we gotta be real cautious. You know what I'm saying?
Don't let little bro fool y'all. He got a lake house on Lake Ray Hubbard right now.
Don't believe none of the mess, y'all. Don't believe none of the mess. We're back in with it. We're back in with it, bro. And I'm actually go in here and let y'all see bro reaction to what they look like. Oh, you got the keys to the streets, dog?
Let me go grab them.
All right. But yeah, man. While he going to get that, I said y'all can see. Oh yeah, man. If y'all in the DFW area, man, y'all make sure y'all hit him up for our landscaping needs, man. He gonna bless y'all up, and especially with the mobile detailing too. You know what I'm saying? He be doing the mobile detailing thing. So y'all hit him up. Again, all his information will be in the description below. So y'all make sure y'all go over there and check him out, man. But yeah, this is what the originals look like. Regular old halogen, stupid uglies. Big difference. Big difference. And we gonna see exactly what it's rolling and rocking like, man. Got this side ends. Y'all can see it didn't take very long to put them in there. So yeah, man. Huh? Oh, yeah.
What you want me to turn it on?
Yeah, I'm gonna get. I want to get your reaction. What they look like, and make sure they work on everything. Yeah, bro, we ready. Y'all see the? Yeah, that's hard, bro. That's hard, bro. I'm talking about instantaneous. I'm talking about they come on way faster and all that. They come on way faster and all that, man. Quick, easy install. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Like I say, they just, you know. Yeah. I say they just.
And it's way brighter too.
Yeah, way brighter. Yeah, it is. Dang.
That's a big difference.
Man, I can only imagine what they're gonna look like at night, bro. I said now, you ain't got to worry about nobody running to the back of you. Nobody. They can't say they can't see you, because not only do they come on, but they strobe when you hit the brake lights, as y'all can see.
We're gonna clean them up, bro. We're gonna get some fresh lenses and really put the lights in their face.
Yeah, man. So we finna get this other side put in, man. Y'all seen the before and after, you know, on this side and versus this side, whatever, what they do. So we finna get this other side put in real quick, and I'm gonna show y'all what it look like after we get done. All right. We back in with it. Let y'all see what it do. Man, that's so hard. Yeah, man. That's a night and day difference. A night and day difference, man. Night and day difference. That's with the. That's so hard, bro. That's crazy. Check it out one more time, man. Check it out one more time, bro. That's crazy, bro.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's tight. That's tight, bro. First upgrade on the Yukon.
Yeah, bro.
Yukon say she needed that goddamn.
Yeah, bro. So another happy customer. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all, Autoone.
Autoone. Y'all shop with Autoone for all your LED needs. Hit up little bro. That's the plug right there, man. Got the promo code for you.
Yes, sir.
Hey, look, like, share, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, thumbs down. It don't matter, man. Just give us some feedback. We need it.
Y'all make sure y'all go tap in the bro, man. Here's channel right here, man. Y'all tap in, bro. Down to earth content is all we own over here, man. And again, yeah, if y'all haven't seen that video on the 9C1, y'all make sure y'all go check that out, man. That video went up with like 1,000 views in like 2-3 days, man. So y'all, man. Oh yeah, man. And yeah, man. That's a real big thanks, bro. So y'all go over there and check out the box, man. Like I say, we're gonna wrap it up for today's video. Y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, and browse the channel. We're going up all 2023, man. Like I said, y'all make sure y'all go to Autoone, man. Use my referral link in the description code. And Connor Roster as a discount code, man. Get y'all 15% off. So without further ado, catch y'all on the next one. We out.